So this US oil analysis for Tuesday, 30th of October. Now, let's just have a look on prices and where prices may likely go. So here on the US oil, we've had prices break above the 66.71, rally towards that 67.12. We countered resistance around 67.12, and we are pulling back here at present. But if we do see this break and hold of 67.12, looking for move towards that 67.73, successful break from which then targets now 68.19 now. Around the 67.73, sorry. Could encounter resistance from the further confluence of 200 period average, but again, if we do break from there, we're looking at 68.19 and beyond that, 69.51 here to the upside on the US oil. If we do see a breakdown, looking for move back down towards the 671, successful break from which targets now previous lows, around that 6612, well-established level of support here on the US oil. And if we do fail to hold that 6612, we're looking for a move down towards that 6560. Beyond that, to the downside, we're looking for a move down towards that 6475 here on the US oil. Move down towards that 6475 here on the US oil. And finally, we'll have a look here at the daily chart. So on the daily chart of the US oil, we can scan on here correct. So as we can see, we've gone into a bit of a consolidation here in and around that 200 period moving average. So we've seen a break and close below, but we've tested and rejected, and we do seem poised for another test. So if we can break and hold that above that 200 period average from a daily chart, possibly looking for a move up towards our 69.51, and then after which we're looking for a 70.79. Here on the US oil, previously the 200 period moving average acted as a support here on the US oil. So again, if it does act as resistance, we do see the breakaway, remains in 64.75, and beyond that, we're looking at our lows here in around that 63.76 on the US oil. If we are to see a continued hold and rejection of that 200 period moving average here on the US oil. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US oil analysis.